Well, everyone, as promised, a little walkthrough of the Simply PHP downtown Montreal, soon to be X offices. This is it. Extremely empty. All the furniture, all the workstations are gone. The echo is back. Take a look. Let's look at V's old office. Still has some writing on the glass. Really, really cool. We're leaving that writing, V. Don't worry, we're not going to erase it. These are our Zoom rooms. We actually built these Zoom rooms before the pandemic. You know, we were doing Zooms all the time. And here's the two co-founders' offices. This is Raf. All that's left is a very sad, never to be used again foam roller. You know, whenever I see this office, I think of Nick coming in to the office, maybe into Raf's office, maybe 5 times a day. Shout out to Nick, I love you, brother. Now we hardly even talk to Nick anymore. This is my old office. Of course, I'm the last one to procrastinate and take all of his crap out of it. And we come here. And this, don't worry, Julia, I won't forget. I will rescue your cup and your penguin. And now we're gonna go. This water cooler is broken. And yeah, everything's pretty much gone. I think 1-800-GOT-JUNK is gonna take care of the rest. Unfortunately, you know, you can't find people to even take this stuff. Sometimes you can't even give it away. It's all about timing, right? You gotta find someone who needs what you have that day. Anyway, here we go. Going back to the office. Here's TRX. I remember putting this up. I was super excited about it, and I was hoping everyone in the office would use it. I bet you know where that didn't happen. This is where we used to do our podcasts, remember? Nothing there anymore. Then we go into the awesome kitchen where we used to love having lunches together, nice pizza lunches, and of course, beer. Our kegerator did not survive the COVID lockdowns. I guess if you don't use these things for a couple of years, they don't work anymore. And this is what happened with this beautiful machine that we bought and we used frequently at Simply PHP. When I say we use this frequently, like we were doing a lot of drinking back in those days. After 5, of course. A lot of socializing, a lot of drinking. And that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this 3.5-minute tour of Simply PHP's soon-to-be X office. And for all of the current employees and past employees that have been here, lots of memories, and I hope you enjoyed the quick video. Take care, and I'll see you next time.